International numerals. Students, have you ever been to place outside Maharashtra? तुम्ही कधी महाराष्ट्राच्या बाहेर गेला होतात का? Yes sir, we went to Karnataka. Were you able to read the signboard of the shops there? तिथल्या शॉप्सचे बोर्ड वाचता आले का तुला? No sir. Sir, we cannot read them because their way of writing letters is different. The method of writing numbers is also different. कारण त्यांची लेटर्स लिहिण्याची पद्धत वेगळी असते. तसेच त्यांची अंक लिहिण्याची पद्धतही वेगळी असते. In Marathi, we write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See how the same numbers are written in Kannada. So, if we write 1, 2, 3 on our currency notes, how can they understand them? असे नंबर्स असतील तर ते त्यांना कसे समजेल? And if the numerals were like theirs, we wouldn't be able to understand them. आणि त्यांच्यासारखे लिहिले तर आपल्याला नाही कळणार. Therefore, the numbers on currency notes should be such that everyone in India can read them. म्हणून नोट्सवरील नंबर्स असे लिहिले पाहिजेत की ते इंडियातील सगळ्या लोकांना समजतील. And not only Indians, but visitors from other countries should also be able to understand them. If we go to another country, we should also be able to understand the numbers on notes there. आपल्यालाही तिथल्या नोट्सचे नंबर्स कळले पाहिजेत. That's why all the countries around the world decided to print the value of currency notes. Their serial number of train, bus or plane tickets in English numerals. म्हणूनच जगातल्या सगळ्या देशांनी असं ठरवलं आहे की नोटांच्या किमती, त्यांचे क्रमांक, आगगाडीच्या, बसच्या व विमानाच्या तिकिटांचे क्रमांक असं सगळं इंग्रजी अंकात छापायचं. Therefore, numbers on buses and rickshaws are written in English. बस, रिक्षा यांचे नंबर्स इंग्लिशमध्ये लिहिले जातात. When numbers are written using English numerals, everyone in the world can understand them. Numbers इंग्लिश डिजिट यूज करून लिहिले की ऑल ओव्हर द वर्ल्ड सगळ्या लोकांना समजतात. So English numerals are called international numerals. Have look Devanagari numerals and international numerals. Devanagari numerals 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. International numerals 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. देवनागरी न्यूमरल्स 497, 235, 437, 468, 672, 799. इंटरनॅशनल न्यूमरल्स 497, 235, 437, 468, 672, 799. Reading numbers and writing them in words. Students, now let us read and write some numbers in words. आता आपण काही नंबर्सचे वाचन आणि अक्षरात लेखन करू. 4536 is read as 4536. 27105 is reads as 27105. 64089 is read as 64089. Write the following numbers in international numerals. खाली दिलेले नंबर्स इंटरनॅशनल न्यूमरल्समध्ये लिहा. 54,209, 54209. 1,812, 1812. 28,006, 28006. So students, we have studied number work from this chapter.